Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we'll be making a delicious Manhattan cocktail, a classic mocktail known for its unique blend of flavors. First, let's gather our ingredients: liquor or spirits, ice, syrup, and garnishes. For the liquor or spirits, we recommend using a mix of gin, orange liquor, and a touch of grenadine for a vibrant color. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice and add your spirits. Shake well and strain into a chilled glass filled with ice. Next, we'll prepare the syrup by combining equal parts sugar and water in a saucepan and heating it until the sugar dissolves. Let it cool before adding a splash of grenadine syrup to give our cocktail a beautiful sunset color. For the garnishes, pick your favorite fruits or berries and cut them into small pieces. Scatter them around the glass, adding a few fresh mint leaves for a refreshing twist. Now, let's mix it up and enjoy our delicious Manhattan cocktail. Cheers!